Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to pay with coins on AliExpress. So the first thing that you should do is you just have to open any of your web browser and then go to AliExpress website. Okay, and then make sure that you have logged in to your AliExpress account. So when you click on your name right here at the top right, you'll be able to see the My Coins option. So you just have to click on it. And then for the daily checked in, so visit every day and earn up to 40 coins. So you just have to collect your coins right here. And then right here at the left side, you'd be able to see here your coins. So when we click on this option, okay, you'd be able to see here the coins that we have earned and the coins that we have used. So say for example, you've got a lot of coins already. So all you have to do is to go back to the home page and then try to look for a product that you want to purchase. So for example, this product, okay, and then assuming that we have a lot of coins already, so we can use that coin to purchase this product or to get a discount if we are going to buy this product and if the coins is applicable. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.